Okay. So in these small topics, just let us try. We'll start from here. Okay. So there is these two things we'll discuss later. And today, for this one, there is a simple reversal interest. Like what I'm trying to tell in these additional topics, there are small topics. That's the reason I mentioned with additional. So, say for example, what is reversal? So, reversal means FI entries or FI documents also. So, sometimes what happens? We post some wrong entries or some maybe some wrong amount or wrong GL, wrong cost center, like any information we may enter. There's a limit for that. Actually, there's a limit for edit, limit for edit posted documents. That means once you post it, okay, you think that after posting, you think that, okay, something is went wrong or something, you want to correct it. So when you want to edit documents, you can edit the documents posted in FP02. That is change posted FI documents. You can edit here if you posted some entries or something. Say for example, so I have created this company code because of the system change. Na, so I recreated a company. Say for example, that's the reason you don't see much entries here. I got a FB03. You know that FB03 where you can see the entries which you posted in finance. And document list, and here I'll be the company code. And execute. See, we have two entries because I tested this entry, three entries. One GL to GL, one customer, one vendor. Now, suppose you want to do some changes. Okay, you might have did something some wrong or something else. So, what are the limitations? So, you can go to new screen here, and you can go to FB02. FB03 to display. FB02 is to change posted document. Here also you look the same thing. You get the same document list, and you get the I'm changing the company by default. That 011 coming. So if you go, if you're getting that default company code or something, you can go to system and user profile and user data. And here you can go to parameters. Here somebody entered. It's not entered here. Then how come it's 011 coming? If you add this BUK, you'll come to know what is that BUK. It's later stage. Okay. And if you keep it blank so that it won't problem. So if I execute here, you find the same three entries here also. So here it's which I'm using is FB02. You can see the transaction here. And here also you can see the FB03. This is it. So what happens if you enter this, double click on this FB03, you see this, but you don't have an edit. It's all grayed out. That means you cannot change anything here. But if you click the same thing here, you find something like this. But if you double click on this, you see here, you can change something. If you double click here, you cannot change anything here. That means it's grayed out. So what you can change? You have the limitations of changing. Maybe you can change the narration, payment terms, or something like some small changes like baseline date. I'll open up other one. So you can see here. Payment terms we can change. Whichever is in white color, that is only possible. Like maybe payment terms, baseline date, assignment, or something text. That's it. You cannot change the amount. You cannot change the GL customer or something. It's already posted. That means in SAP, once you posted on some transactions, you have very limited option to change. If you had worked in Tally, right? Tally, you can change the even GL also, right? Am I right, Arshita? Arshita is working in Tally, I believe. And Deepa also worked in Tally.
No, sir, Tally was not work, but
Oh,
I have learned Tally long back.
okay. But in Tally, we can change the amount and this one. So in SAP, it's not possible. So something like this, some crucial account or something is changed, or else something you want to change means you have only one option. That is, you have real life, text. Next, you can change payment terms. Mm, Then you can change assignment, like only limited options. But if you want to do some major changes or something, then you should reverse the end. You should reverse the end. So how can you reverse this? So simple. To reverse the transaction of whatever you posted, you have to reverse means what? To reverse F5 documents. Reversal means what? So you see here one entry. That is what has happened here. So stationery expenses is credited, debited, and you can see that that is no minus. So here is minus, it's credited. That means the bank is credited and this expenses is debited. So here what happens? It's going to reverse. That means expenses will get credited and bank will get debited if you do the reversal. Let me show you. Sorry. Let it this open. I go to one more screen. I go to FB08. And here what you should do now, you should give this number, which document number you want to reverse. And you should enter fiscal year. The reversal reason. What's the meaning of reason? Reason means why you are reversing it. So companies may have a different reason. Maybe like reversal in current period, reversal in this one, wrong GL account or something. Even we can create our own reversal reasons. Because depending on the companies, we can create our own reversal reasons. Say, for example, here only, you have that option. When you go inside, you have that. Whenever you get this option, means you can configure from here only. Create means I can create the reasons because some companies require some reasons why you're reversing it. There should be a reason. I can go here and I can configure, or else I can select whichever is appropriate. For example, wrong amount I have taken. I can select. And I request you to create a reversal reason. You try from your end and you have to show it to me. Take it as an assignment and click on this. You go inside and learn. Nothing. You have to go inside and create it. So come back and select that reason. You have to show it to me in the next class, or else you have to tell me how to create that one. Okay, take it. You have to create your own reversal reason and you have to do that. But now what I'm doing here, I'm going to select this wrong amount I have taken. And if you want to post a particular date, you can post it, or else if it's not, if it's going to take today's date. So once it's you can look into the entry, whether it's entry is correct or not. The same entry is here. Here, what entry you have the same entry. Then go back and go to document and post. What system will do? System generates one entry here. This is the document entry, which is reversal. Now you will see here, this is 01000 entry and this is 101. What I do, I go and open display here. Here only. Whenever you post any entries, you can go to document and check the display so that you can see that entry there only. See, you see that entry, you notice here. Here, stationery GL is credited and bank GL debited. You can see that here it's debited and it's credited. This is the credit entry and this is the debit entry of bank. And whenever you reverse any entry, right? So system gives that on the top that you cannot see here. You see, this is a reversal document of something like that. It's not a portion, it's a reversal of other thing. And also, once you reverse the original entry, if you go back and come back again, you see that now you got the reversal here. It was not there because system says that this entry got reversed. So by this. So if you click on this, reversal document, it will show this document. You see the notice here, the both are same. But if you, so what it's saying, so this is the reversal document of original document. And if you click again, it will show the original document. If you click here, it will show the reversal document. If you click again, it will show the original document. That means you have to repost with the correct entry now. Okay, maybe some whatever the important information, you can repost it. Got it? This is reversal entries. Clear? Say yes or no.
Yes, sir.
See, whenever you have questions, you can ask me directly. It's better. Because, see, the problem is, if I'm telling something, I think that you are getting that one. If you get some questions, immediately you clear it. It's always better. Okay, don't think that you're going to do that activity in the later and let me check out later. Don't do that. But to clear that in your mind, what you are getting, and then and there itself, it's always better. So now this is the simple topic. So the next topic is park and post. So sometimes, say for example, this is reversal we have done. The second topic I'm talking. Reversal we discussed. See, so for example, Gayatri is a fresher from college and she joins a company and she wanted to, we asked her to do some entries. And every time if she does, because she is not having that much experience about real-time things and other things and all. If she keep doing the wrong thing, right, what happens? So it's going to be every time it's reversal and like if she posts and then you go and check and come back. It's very difficult, right? It's very difficult. So that means, for example, Deepa is a manager and Gayatri is a newcomer. And Deepa says how to post the transactions and all. But she may do some mistakes because she is a fresher. And every time Deepa cannot go and reverse and ask her to redo it. So that SAP provided one simple solution for them. Sometimes if you want, you can park it. Now what we are doing, every entry we are posting. What is that posting means? Once the entry saved as posted, it has limited edit options. Just we saw that. So that what you can do the parking. What is this parking? Park document. So if you if a document is parked, it has option to edit almost all information and it can be deleted. Once posted, it's not possible, but parked means it can be deleted. Okay, if you don't want it's correct, it's not at all correct, you can delete it. Like this options are there. That means parking of document means it's in middle stage. That means you can give the authorization to Gayatri. Just example, Gayatri saying that, okay, you can park. She does not have the posting authorization. She can park it and it will come to Deepa. So Deepa can check it and post it. So means Park documents do not update to P&L account or balance sheet statements. Only posted documents updates in P&L and or in balance sheet. You're getting my point. So we have got like whatever the GL values at the year end, it goes and update in P&L account and balance sheet. That we know that. So the same thing here. So park documents or posted document means it's not going to update. Posted documents will show update in P&L account statement, but park means if it is parked until it's acknowledged and posted status, then only it will go and update. Till that time, it will be in the state, like middle stage. That means it will be in the staging. Staging means it is not going to be updated in statement. It will show in as a parked. Okay, it's not yet confirmed like that. So how to park a document? Let us see this. So parking document, see, we know that we can post the transactions in FB50. So here, post transactions, that is FB60, FB50 for GL to GL, FB60, FB60, so vendor invoice, FB70, customer invoice. Like this, we know this. So if you want to do only parking, that means this are null posting. If you want to do the park transactions, park and post, park transactions means then it's FB60, FB50, VV, FB60 like that, and FB70. The same transactions are with V. This is GL to GL, and this is vendor invoice, and this is customer invoice. Got it? So this is how. Let me show you how to do this transaction parking. It's just as you do it. It's exactly the same way how you do it in. Let me take I'll take up your FB60 that we know already. Like vendor invoice, I'll take example. It's going to apply for your GL and customer same way. I'll open up one more screen, FB60, that is park, another screen. So sorry, FB60. See here, please notice here. This is FB60 and this is FB60, which we used till now. So the main difference here, enter vendor invoice, here park vendor invoice. There's two options, that's it. Even here also in FB60 also we can do the parking. If you don't click here, if you click here, it is posting. Posting means it's posted to the ledgers. That means it will update the final one. So if you click here, it's parked just like this. But if you want to use a separate T code, you can use it, not a problem. Here you don't have the, so here. No, just notice it. If I go on this save button, you see here. If I go on this, say saved park document, it will show. If I go on this, see post, it will show. The difference is this is how the differentiates. Now what you can do, let me park a document. I'll pick up a vendor. And I'll post parallelly, I'll post one more entry here for 1,000 rupees to the same vendor. One posting I'll do it. One 1,001 I'll use. Now what I'm doing here, one entry I'm doing posting, that is here in the FB16. And one entry to the same, I'm doing parking. The amount is different. This parking is 1,000 rupees and posting is 1,001. Let me save both. You get a document and you get a document for both. Now I'll take you to the vendor screen, vendor ledger, FPL1N, FPL1N for vendor ledger, you know that. And I'll just execute the vendor. And execute here. See, you are seeing two screens, two things here. One is 1,001 rupee which I posted, but it's not parked. I'm not seeing the parking document here. But if you go back and here we have an option. Just come down. We have an option here. Parked documents. I should ask the system normal items. Normal item means it's a posted items. Whichever we posted, it will come here. If you want to see the parked document also, which are parked, then you should select this. And now execute. So now you are seeing the difference here. One is 1,000 rupees, which I posted. 1,001 rupees, which is posted. That's in the status of red. Red means it's open. It has to be get paid. But the status of park document you see in yellow. So what does it mean? So if you go here, it will show that parked. It is open. Like it's not a confirm. So you can edit everything almost. Here you know that you got to see that if you want to edit, how much you can edit, only text or something else. But if you want to edit posted park documents, you should go to a T code FBV0. FBV0. Here I'm picking up this park document, and here it's already there. Or else you can go to document list and you can pick up just like FB03. We can pick up all the entries, all the park documents. So double click on this. Now you see you can edit even with supplier, you can edit date, you can edit GL, you can edit amount, everything you can edit. You can change whatever you want. Say for example, I want to change the amount from 1,000 to 2,000. So that means it will go to the second level, like manager, and they are going to save it. So I can save this now. So now once it is saved, it's going to be again parked. Remember, if you save it. So if you click on this, so preliminarily posted document was changed. Posted means it's not posted means it's parked document, the meaning of it. So now I go to edit again. That means I go to insert because still there. You have to click on this post. You should not click it. If you click here, again it will get parked. You have to click here to post. Now you see this. Here, if I refresh this ledger, that posted document, the park document has converted into posted with 2,000 rupees. So I hope it is clear. This is what we call it parked and post. Why we use it parked and post. And you have an assignment for this. Okay. Two assignments you have. One is, at least you have to come back with some answers. So what is that actual assignment? One is reversal reason you have to create. Okay. Second one, you have to see, we have seen this like reversal. Okay. But reversal of payment a document. You have to do your R&D and come back on this. Third one, in the past parked documents, we have parked and posted, right? So I thought something. Parked document posted. Yeah. Even in parked document, we can delete. If you go to document, you can delete it. But I thought something there. Okay, these are the two assignments which you should do it. Got it? Deepa, Gayatri,
Yes, sir.
at least you will have to do your R&D and come back if you are not created also. Not a problem. Got it, na?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So these two topics is completed. And then the part payment. One second.